Well, a number of Panthers fans went home happy after today's big win over the Titans, but it was extra memorable for one Purple Heart recipient from the Charlotte area who left today's game in a brand new ride and a huge smile on his face.
3, 2, 1.
It was a shiny four-wheel surprise for local U.S. Army veteran Kevin Grimes.
I'm a little at loss for words, but I can't tell you how much it means to me to have Caliber and the team at Veterans Bridge Home providing me with this brand new car.
It was a surprise Grimes desperately needed. Grimes, who served 2 tours in Iraq and Afghanistan, now works locally for Veterans Bridge Home. He was having problems with his car, but still managed to make it to work.
I was, rolling on one wheel, so to speak. It was a bit of a tough situation, but I'm very, very honored and very, very grateful.
Officials with Caliber Collision and Superior Insurance heard about Grimes' struggle and wanted to help. And before today's Panthers game, presented him the keys to the newly refurbished 2015 Nissan Altima.
It's an honor for Veterans Bridge Home, for our entire team, to help make these connections, to find the community like Charlotte and the great resources we have and connect them to veterans like Kevin.
Our motto is to restore the rhythm of your life, and we'll basically be able to restore the rhythm of his life and get him to be able to do day-to-day operations, driving to and from to work, and being able to spend time with his family.
A new ride for this Purple Heart recipient, and a simple thank you for serving our country.
It feels absolutely fantastic.
And the smile says it all. Congratulations. Well, over the past 7 years, Caliber Collision and their partners have donated nearly 350 cars. Well,